Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Snake Python, and we did a lot of videos today. More Snake Python videos than any other day. So he shedded not too long ago. I try to get it as best as possible. His shed. This is the best as possible I can get the shed on the camera. This is hard to make. Well, he's sitting on it like it's a blanket. Jake, that's your old skin, not the blanket. He's like, huh? He's like, I don't care, it's my blankie now. Don't get out of my enclosure. That's what he's like. So this is the end of the video, and Snake Python video where I'm probably going to do a video of doing a video of changing his cage. So bye bye. And Jake said bye bye and bring me food afterwards in the next video. Bye bye.